Hello folks, welcome back. In this video, we present an important website which is very useful for students, teachers and professionals. The website chemequations.com is a platform for balancing chemical equations. Here are some key details about the website. Chemical Equation Balancer. The website offers a tool to balance chemical equations, which is a crucial step in chemistry problem solving. User interface. The website has a simple and user-friendly interface where users can input chemical equations and get the balanced results. Supported reactions. The website supports various types of chemical reactions, including acid-base reactions, redox reactions, and more. Step-by-step solutions. The website provides step-by-step solutions to balancing chemical equations, which can be helpful for students and educators. Additional resources. The website might offer additional resources, such as a periodic table, chemical reaction databases, or information on chemical concepts. Test this tool and please do let me know your comment. Thanks for watching and see you next time with another tool.